Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. What I will be discussing tonight will be the so-called conversion of an analog audio and video to a VGA output. So I've got here a what you call this video converter. This is a video converter. The input of this one is from a VCR, and the output of this converter goes to that blue thing there. It's the actually that was the what you call this what is display of my old computer. That's the old display. The input of that one is VGA. So this is the VGA input. For us to view a video on the VGA display, okay, we must have to convert this analog, what you call this, analog video coming from this old VCR. This is my old VCR. So at the back of this VCR, we got an audio-video RCA connector. The first one is this. That's for the video. And since this video converter don't have an audio output, what I did is that the audio output at the back of the VCR, okay, I connect it to my assembled audio amplifier. Okay, so we are now ready. So just in case we play this VCR, the video output goes in here. Okay, it will be converted to a VGA signal. It goes to the VGA display. And for the audio thing, okay, we got the signal line here. This is the ground portion. This is a signal line. So I connected to my audio amplifier assembled. This is the one. This is the audio line. This is the ground portion. And my amplifier is now activated. I power it with my regulated 12-volt power supply. So our audio amplifier is ready to amplify the audio coming from the VCR. And for the video output, okay, it will be, or it will pass first by the video converter. Okay, it will go out as a VGA signal, then it goes to the VGA monitor. Okay, like right now, I inserted a movie, Sum of All Fears, on this VCR, and we are ready to play it. If I will play it, there will be a video coming out here, and for the audio of this VCR, it will come out here on my assembled audio amplifier, and this is the speaker. Okay? Okay, I will now try to play the VCR. Okay? So actually we got a video now. And we got the sound. Right? That's the sound. This one is coming from the audio output of the VCR. This is the video output of the VCR. It passes through this VGA converter, then it will go to the VGA display. Okay? So right now, we are watching a movie using a VGA display. And you don't believe it, guys. This is an old VCR. This is more than 30 years already. Because I was using this one when I was having a shop in Carson, California. That's a far way back. But it is still working. Like what I said, this VGA display is actually on standby because I am not using it. And I think that I could still use this VGA display by just converting the video output of this VCR by buying a VGA converter from Amazon. So this is actually the VGA converter. This is the video input coming from the VCR. It passes through the VGA converter, then it goes to the VGA display. And for the audio output, this is the audio output of the VCR. Okay, I feed it to my assembled audio amplifier, and the sound of the movie is coming out here. Okay, guys. Okay, that's how I produce or use this VGA display by outputting a video and audio coming from my old VCR. Okay, and as you can see it, okay, it seems we are now watching a movie on a big screen display. Okay, what you call this, the pixels are good because this is actually a VGA display for computer. Right? You see it, guys? Okay. That's the movie Sum of All Fears, and it is now playing. Right? It is now playing. Okay? That's a VGA display. The video input of this one come from this VCR, and the audio output, like what I said, I diverted it to my assembled audio amplifier, and you could hear the sound. Right? That's it. Okay, good evening from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. What I presented is that I use my old VCR to bring out an audio and video output, and for the video output, I use a video converter, so I could display it on the VGA display of my old computer. Okay? That's it. Good evening from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes.